All right, go ahead and tell Tommy about it.
Tommy. So, it might be crowded, but you're gonna stick with me. We're gonna stick together. You're gonna be in the same tube as me. And then we're gonna go on the same slide. What? The same tube slide. And we're gonna stay inside in case we could be safe. If we're outside, we need somebody to help us get inside. Yeah. So that's the faster way. Because, can I have these? I ate them. No.
Eat that. Now, what were you guys talking about?
The Great Wolf Lodge.
The Great Wolf Lodge? Yeah. Put it on your plate. Okay. Now, what are you looking forward to the most about the Great Wolf Lodge? The pool?
No. The water park? Yeah.
What are you going to do first when we get there?
The waves!
The waves?
And then second, we're going to go to the bigger one. And then third, we're going to go to the little ones, the little kids one, and the 5-year-old ones. Then after that, we're going to go on the bigger slides that are too big for big kids, that are so big for big kids. But me and Tommy are going to stay in the same tube, and I'm going to look right behind me, and then Tommy, you could bring us there, and you could be behind Tommy.
Oh, that is a good idea. And who is going to meet us there? Who are we going to see there?
Milo!
Milo?
And Ryder! And Uncle Mike!
And Uncle Mike! It's going to be awesome!
We're going to see them.
Yeah. And what do they say at the Great Wolf Lodge?
Stop, clap, clap, woo! We need ears, okay?
Oh, we do need ears.
I'll get them.
Okay.